With the recent resumption of commercial shipments of mangoes from Grenada to the United States, the mango seed weevil has once again been placed under the microscope. In observance of International Plant Health Day last Friday, the Ministry of Agriculture's Pest Management Unit held an initiative aimed at promoting awareness about plant health and ways of protecting plants for environmental safety. Information on plant pests, their care and prevention was shared with participants. The Pest Management Unit is responsible for managing plant pests, diseases and crop protection through quarantine measures. Pest Management Officer Thaddeus Peters says the mango seed weevil is still active and causing damage to Grenada mangoes.
The disease is still here. It's still a challenge. The thing with the shipment is that it goes to a treatment that will take care of the infestation, but the disease itself is still in the mangoes. We are trying, as the plant protection department, that the shippers and the exporters will have low infestation in the mangoes they harvest and so on. So a program has to be really rolled out that will get farmers back into trying to manage the disease on the farm so that we have lower levels in those that we harvest. But the disease is still prevalent. Generally, you don't see a lot of it because most of it are really in the seed, but some of the varieties do have those that get trapped in the flesh, So persons still need to look out. Cleaning of your fallen mangoes from below your tree is one of the ways. So at the end of the crop, gather all your seeds and fallen mangoes, and you can burn them or bag them so that the weevil doesn't get a chance to recycle back into the next bearing cycle.
Peters stated that the Pest Management Unit is also tackling other pests such as the citrus greening disease and the West Indian fruit fly, which necessitate the implementation of plant quarantine measures.
All those pests that we just mentioned would have come into the country at one point or the other. They were not always here. So by creating more awareness, we still have the Don't Pack a Pest signage around. Awareness when we travel or when we trade, to be cautious, to take all the precautions and select things that are healthy, and even do the regulatory part by getting your permits or your clearance before you move, or declaring and have it inspected when you enter countries.
Christina John, GBN News.